Let us start the problems one by one from dot product, scalar product, right? Let me start with the formula itself. Problem number 1. Problem number 1. If A equal to 2i plus 7j, B equal to 5i minus 3j, find A dot B. Now work out carefully. Theory part over. Now the problems. I told you, just by giving two vectors how to find without knowing the angle. Formula is there. That is why we have derived the last one. Formula to find A dot B. Write that one itself. So, given solution is given A equal to 2i plus 7j, B equal to 5i minus 3j. Two-dimensional vector, whatever it may be. A dot B equal to, let me write the formula first. Since it is two-dimensional, you need not write all the three. If you are writing next term also, you have to say it is 0 into j, k. Here also 0 into k. Let me list. x1 is 2, y1 is 7, x2 is 5, y2 is minus 3. Right? Now, A dot B equal to x1, x2, y1, y2. Don't confuse with the cross product. It is entirely different. It is in between two vectors. This is our ordinary multiplication. Equal to 10 minus 21. Answer minus 11. Minus 11. Second problem. Three-dimensional. If A equal to 2i minus 3j plus k, B equal to 7i plus 5j minus 11k. Find A dot B and B dot E. Let us see whether they are same or any difference is there. A dot B as well as B dot A. Solution, answer. Given A equal to three-dimensional 2i minus 3j plus k, B equal to 7i plus 5j minus 11k. A dot B, write the formula first. x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2. List the values. x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, now it is z1 is also there, no? x2, y2, z2. x1, y1, z1, 2 minus 3, 1. Minus 3, 1. 7, 5 minus 11. A dot B is x1 into x2. y1 into y2. z1 into z2. (14) minus 15, minus 11, minus 12, minus 1, minus 11, minus 12. Yes. Even though if it is 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional, you can find dot product. Only one coordinate is extra here. Problem number 3. Problem number 3. If A equal to 3i plus 8j minus 5k, B equal to 10i minus 2j plus lambda k, and A dot B equal to 4, find lambda. In the previous two problems, you have calculated the value of A dot B. Now here, in this problem, A dot B is given, you have to find lambda. Let me write the formula. Given A equal to 3i 8j minus 5k, B equal to 10i minus 2j plus lambda k, A dot B equal to 4. These are the things given. You write the formula for A dot B first. x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2. A dot B equal to 4, x1 3, y1 8, z1 minus 5, x2 10, y2 minus 2, z2 lambda. Fill up the values in the formula, get the answer. A dot B 4 equal to x1 x2 3 into 10, y1 y2 8 into minus 2, z1 z2 minus 5 lambda, or 30 minus 16 minus 5 lambda, or 5 lambda equal to minus becomes plus 30 minus 16 minus 4, 5 lambda equal to 30 minus 20, 10, lambda equal to 10 by 5, answer 2. Finding lambda or unknown quantity, if the dot product is given, then also you can do that one. Let me take one more of the same type. See, if A equal to mi plus 4j, mi plus 4j plus k, B equal to 2i plus 3mj minus 4mk, and A dot B is 30. Find m. Even though it is similar problem, m is repeated, see, 3 times, m, that's all. Answer given A equal to mi 4j plus k. Shall I write x1, x2 here? x1 m, y1 4, z1 1. B equal to 2i plus 3mj minus 4mk. x2 2, y2 3m, z2 minus 4m. Coefficient of k should be written as a 2. Not only m, 4m. Yes, now A dot B equal to, write the formula and substitution. A dot B equal to x1 x2, y1 y2, z1 z2. A dot B is given how much? 30. x1 x2 y1 y2 z1 z2 2m plus 12m minus 4m. 14 minus 4, 10m, or m equal to 30 by 10, 3. Dot product, or in the list you have written this one as the third point, correct, no? How to find dot product using the formula. Now problem number 4. About projection. Actually in your list it is the second point. We have started the problem from the third point, formula. Now we are coming back. Projection. If, right, if A equal to 8i plus 6j, B equal to 3i plus 4j, are two vectors. Find projection of B on A. See your list, formula list. You are coming back. See, after the formula you are coming back to geometrical meaning of dot product. Projection, about projection, it is there in the second point. Yes, let me write that one. So, answer, given A equal to 8i plus 6j, B equal to 3i plus 4j, x1 8, y1 6, note z1, x2 3, y2 4. Now write the formula carefully. A dot B equal to, formula means not x1 x2 because you need projection of the vector, mod A into projection of B on A. Go back to the formula list there. We need this one. Find projection of B on A. projection of B on A. So it is projection of B on A is equal to A dot B by mod A. Correct, no? Now calculate one by one. First find A dot B. That however you know that x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equal to 8 into 3, 6 into 4, 24 plus 24, 48. Next, A dot B or mod A, root of mod A. A means this one, x1 square plus y1 square, 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36, root 100, 10. Now write the answer. Therefore, projection of B on A equal to A dot B 48 by mod A 10. Answer 4.8. 4.8. 4.8. Right? Projection of the vector B on A is 4.8. Right? Easy. Just you have to use the formula which is given as a second one in your list. After the definition, second finds its geometrical meaning. Third one is a formula to find A dot. Let me take one more. Problem number 5. Find projection of 8, 3i plus 2j plus k on the vector 2i plus j minus k. Here it is 2-dimensional, it is easy. That is 3-dimensional. But what about A? What about B? I have not given. You have to write yourself. See. Answer. Let, which one is A? Tell me. Projection of B on A. Here, find the projection of this. Means it is B. On the vector, this is A, remember. So, let A equal to 2i plus j minus k. B equal to 3i plus 2j plus k. Because the question is, find the projection of this vector B on A. x1 2, y1 1, z1 minus 1, x2 3, y2 2, z2 1. x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Now, let me write straight away the formula. Projection of B on A is A dot B by mod A. See here, already formula is here. Calculate A dot B first. x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2 equal to 2, 3, y1, y2, 1, 2, z1, z2 minus 1, 1. 6 plus 2 minus 1 7 mod A x1 square y1 square z1 square x1 2 square 1 square minus 1 square 4 5 6 projection of B on A equal to A dot B divided by mod A, or if you rationalize the denominator, you get like this. Right? Problem number 6th one. If A equal to I plus 2j minus 3k, B equal to 5i minus j plus k, find projection of A on B. Small change. Find projection of not B on A, projection of A on B. Whatever may be, let me list the things. Given A equal to I plus 2j minus 3k. Let me write the value here. It's a 1, y1 2, z1 minus 3. B equal to 5i minus j plus k. x2 equal to 5, y2 equal to minus 1, z2 equal to 1. Projection of A on B. Projection of A on B is, careful, B dot A. Actually one and the same, A dot B or B dot E. Even then let me write that. Divided by this mod B, that's all. A dot B by mod A, projection of B on A. Projection of A on B, B dot A by mod B. B dot A is x2 x1, actually same it is. x1 x2 or x2 x1 one and the same, no? y1 z2 z1 equal to 5 into 1 minus 1 into 2 1 into minus 3, or it is 5 minus 2 minus 3, 5 minus 2 minus 3, 0. Mod B not necessary, because however you get 0, even then let me do that. Square y2 square z2 square is 5 square minus 1 square 1 square, 25, 26, 27. Now write the answer. Therefore, projection of A on B is projection of A on B is 0 divided by root 27, which is 0 only. Why the projection becomes 0? Mostly the vector A is perpendicular to B. That is why you get to projection 0. That's all. There will be no shadow at all. Meaning what? It is perpendicular. That is why no shadow or no projection. Projection is 0. Anyway, total the value is 0. That's all. Next, projection of the vector over next problem number. Again come back to the definition of dot product. Find cosine of the angle between A equal to 3i plus 4j and b equal to 5i plus 12j. Find the cosine of the angle between the vectors. Let me finish it a little fastly. Answer: given A equal to 3i plus 4j, x1 is 3, y1 is 4. B equal to 5i plus 12j, x2 is 5, y2 is 12. Right? Now, by definition, A dot B is mod A mod B cos theta. Here we have A dot B can be calculated. A dot B is x1 x2 y1 y2, or it is 3 into 5 4 into 12 15 plus 48 63. Mod A is root of x1 square plus y1 square, root of 9 plus 16, root 25, 5. Right? Mod B is root of x2 square, y2 square, 5 square, 12 square, root 169, 13. Now the answer here, A dot B 63, mod A 5, mod B 13 cos theta. Cos theta is 63 divided by 65.